Okay, so let's jump here. So this is, I'll tell you a bit about the application in art. So I've already mentioned this one, so it's called Deep Dream. And the idea here is to exploit this effect called pareidolia. And what it is basically that's something we humans also experience. So sometimes when you look at the moon, you kind of see a face. And the more you look at it, the more it appears to be a human face, even though there is no face there, right? So we kind of exploited the same effect here. And you can see what the network actually hallucinated here. It looks really interesting, and it's really amazing that a neural network created this thing without human trying to change pixels or anything. So it was fully automatic. And here you can see example of a neural style transfer. And I have a whole series on this one if you're interested to dig into details, but I'll just mention it shortly here. So you basically get a content image like the bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge from San Francisco, and you take this artistic image. This one comes from Van Gogh, and you just combine those using neural networks, and you get the output like this one. And I don't know if you ask me, but I'd say if somebody asked me, I'd say this comes from a human. Like it's really good. Like you can see the brush strokes, it looks really nice, and it was done by neural network from end to end. So that's nice. So that was a short glimpse of application of computer vision in art. So let's see about these ones. So you probably heard about deepfakes, and if you have, you've heard about them in probably highly negative social context. So what it is you try and you have a target image of a person you want to imitate. You have a driving video, and the guy in the driving video controls and looks like the person in the target image. And you can see an example here. I'll just play a video. It's more clear. So this guy is actually not Obama. This is a totally fake video, and it was created using this deepfake technology.
In fact, this entire speech and video are not real, and were created using deep learning and artificial intelligence.
So yeah, the thing I want to mention here is that you probably heard that the voice quality is not as good. So it's amazing that actually they deteriorated the voice because they didn't want to make it really high quality, but they can make it as good as the visual content. And you saw it really looks like Obama. If you ask me, I'd say, man, that's Barack Obama. It's really high quality stuff. So there's a lot of technology that comes into these from computer vision. So for example, facial landmarks detection, you want to also figure out how those key points are moving throughout frames using maybe optical flow. You want to you also need to know the occlusion, in the sense maybe some parts of the target image cannot be seen, so you have to hallucinate those or generate those even though you don't see them. So there are just many technical aspects to this technology, but I just want to mention this is really important. So first is that this technology was not created to use it in this negative context. So you can use it in many socially beneficial ways. Like for example, artists can create better movies, better animated movies using this technology, or somebody who lost their voice can take maybe a 5-second recording of their voice when they had a voice, and they can recover their voice. They can sound like they did before they lost a voice. So there are many positive like use cases for this technology, but unfortunately we are seeing a lot of these negative ones. And yeah, just be aware that when you're scrolling through social media, aside from all those textual fake news that's happening around, I think we're gonna see more and more fake videos popping up, and they'll be indistinguishable from true videos. But you just gotta be like skeptical and critical about everything you ingest.